Hello students and friends, welcome to KVR Mathematics class. So please subscribe this and tap the bell icon. Okay students and friends, today's our topic is trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Okay, three trigonometric identities. So what is the first identity? What is the first identity? Okay, so the first one is sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. That is the first identity of trigonometry. Okay, so once observe, how can you prove this identity? How can you prove this? Take the right triangle or right angle triangle. ABC is the right angle triangle. Let angle C is equal to theta. Angle C is equal to theta. So this is opposite side. This is adjacent side of theta. Opposite side to theta AB, adjacent side to theta is BC. AC is the hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse square is equal to, that means AC square is equal to first side AB square plus second side is BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So that is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So let us do this. Solution. First of all, find the sin theta value from the right angle triangle. Sin theta value first find. Now consider first of all, consider sin theta. Sin theta. What is sin theta formula? Sin theta formula is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse, sin theta formula. So what is the opposite side to theta? AB is the opposite side by what is hypotenuse? AC. Sin theta formula, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. That is sin theta value. Okay, let's consider the cos theta value also. Now consider cos theta is equal to, what is the cos theta value? Okay, so cos theta formula is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse formula. So this is hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side to theta? BC by hypotenuse is AC. Cos theta formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. Okay. So this is first equation and this is the second equation. Okay. Once take the LHS value. What is LHS? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is LHS. RHS is 1. Okay. So now take the LHS value. Now consider LHS. Now consider LHS. What is LHS? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta means what is sin theta value? AB by AC whole square plus cos theta value BC by AC whole square. Sin theta value AB by AC whole square plus cos theta value BC by AC whole square. So that implies to so AB square by AC square. So AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. So what is LCM? LCM is AC square. AC square, AC square. LCM is AC square. Okay. So denominators are same. Denominators are same. LCM is same. So add the numerators directly. AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So AB square plus BC square means from the Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square value is AC square. So AC square by AC square. Okay. So AC square once AC square once get cancelled. 1 by 1 means 1. Okay. So therefore sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Okay, so this is from Pythagoras theorem. Second identity. What is the second identity? Second identity is secant to tan link. Secant and tan link. What is the secant and link? Secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. That is the second identity. Okay, so once we will prove. So now consider same way LHS value. What is LHS here? Secant squared theta minus tan squared theta. That is LHS. Now first of all consider the secant theta. Secant theta. First find secant theta. Next after find tan theta also. Okay. So now find first of all consider secant theta is equal to, what is secant theta formula? What is secant theta formula? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. So what is secant theta formula? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC by adjacent side is BC. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. So AC by BC. That is secant theta value. Next find tan theta. So now consider tan theta is equal to. So tan theta is equal to. Tan theta formula opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan formula. Okay, so that is tan. So secant theta, this is secant theta value, this is tan theta value. Now, okay, consider the LHS value. What is LHS? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. So now consider LHS secant squared theta minus tan squared theta. So secant squared theta value. Secant squared theta means secant theta means AC by BC whole square minus tan theta value AB by BC whole square. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant theta value AC by BC whole square minus tan theta value AB by BC whole square. So that implies to, so AC square by BC square minus AB square by BC square. So what is the LCM? BC square as the LCM. Denominators are same. So LCM is same number, same. Okay. So BC square LCM. So AC square minus AB square. So AC square minus AB square. Okay. So once observe Pythagoras theorem. Once observe here. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So this can be expressed as AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square plus AB square transpose to left side minus AB square is equal to BC square. So AC square minus AB square means AC square minus AB square means BC square equal. So BC square, numerator is BC square equal, by denominator is BC square. BC square once, BC square once get cancelled. So that is 1. So RHS value 1. This is RHS value. So therefore secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is the second identity of trigonometry. Second identity of trigonometry. Next, third identity of trigonometry is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. CC link. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, students and friends. So now take the cosecant theta value. First of all, cosecant theta value. So cosecant theta is the reciprocal of the sine. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine. So cosecant formula, hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. So what is hypotenuse? AC by opposite side is AB. AC by AB. This is first one. Cosec theta value or cosecant theta value. Okay. Next consider cot theta value. Next consider cot theta is equal to cot is the reciprocal of tan. Cot is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay. So what is tan formula? Tan formula is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Cot means reciprocal. Adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. So what is adjacent side to theta? BC by opposite side is AB. So this is second one. Okay. Cosec theta value ready. Cot theta value also ready. So now find the LHS value. So LHS is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. That is LHS. So cosec theta value from the first equation, cosec theta value is AC by AB. So now substitute AC by AB whole square minus cot theta value BC by AB whole square. BC by AB whole square. So that implies to apply the square value AC square by AB square minus BC square by AB square. Okay, students and friends, AC square by AB square. Okay, next minus BC square by AB square. Denominators are same, so LCM also same. So that is equal to LCM is AB square. LCM. So denominator same, LCM is same. So AC square minus BC square directly. AC square minus BC square. Okay. Okay, students and friends, once observe the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, from the triangle. Okay, so this one also can express as AC square minus BC square is equal to AB square. So plus BC square, students and friends, plus BC square transpose to left side minus BC square is equal to right hand side AB square. Okay, so once observe this result. So apply this result here. AC square minus BC square value is AB square by AB square. One time get cancelled. So 1 by 1. That means 1. Okay, students and friends. Therefore, third identity of trigonometry is, what is the third identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so students and friends, these are very most important for the intermediate students and 10th class Okay, even all applications of trigonometry, okay, are very useful for these trigonometric identities. So students and friends, remember these three formulae. So once I will write the three formulae. So the first formula is sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. First identity. Second identity is secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. Third identity is cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta is equal to 1. Three identities very important. Okay, so in the trigonometry, so these are very useful for the applications also. So remember these formulae. Okay, students and friends. So please subscribe this channel, KVR High School Mathematics. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, okay, write the comment section.